In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Canva. If you're already signed in and looking at the main Canva dashboard, the home screen with your recent designs and the sidebar, you're in the perfect spot to start. This change is quick, and you'll be able to switch your interface to the language you're most comfortable with in just a moment. First, head to the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click your profile icon. This might appear as your photo or your initials. Opening this menu is the gateway to all your account preferences. Next, select Settings. This takes you to your account's control panel, where Canva groups the most important options. You'll land in the Profile area by default, which is exactly where we need to be for this adjustment. Within the Profile section, look for the Language option. You'll see your current language displayed there. Click that current language to open the list of available languages, then choose the one you want. As soon as you make your selection, Canva will apply it to the interface, menus, buttons, tooltips, and messages, so you can navigate in the language you prefer. If the interface doesn't update immediately, a quick refresh usually does the trick. And don't worry, changing the language won't alter any text inside your designs. Your projects stay exactly as you created them. This setting only affects the Canva interface you interact with. You can switch back at any time using the same steps. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. This preference is tied to your account, not your entire team, so it won't force a change for others. On different devices, the layout might look slightly different, but the path is the same. Profile, Settings, Language. Some languages may have partial coverage, so you might occasionally see a term appear in English, but Canva continues to expand its translations. Also, spell check and suggestions inside text boxes are typically handled by your browser or device, not by the Canva language setting, so those may behave differently depending on your system. Let's recap so you can do this confidently on your own. From the main dashboard, click your profile at the bottom left. Choose Settings. Under the Profile section, find Language. Click your current language, select the language you want, and you're done. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy designing in the language that feels right for you.